In this video, we will take a look at the basics of storage locations in the SAP system. The storage location is a central organizational unit in materials management and represents the physical storage of materials in the SAP system. It is always clearly assigned to a plant. While the plant represents a location or a company, the storage location describes exactly where materials are stored within that plant. Companies can create as many storage locations as they need to map their actual warehouse structure in the system. Typical examples of storage locations are a main warehouse, a rack warehouse, a restricted goods warehouse for restricted goods, or a production warehouse for materials that are needed directly in production. Storage locations can be assigned addresses. This allows locations that are physically separated from each other to be mapped, so that a storage location does not necessarily have to be located in the same plant building. In SAP, the storage location plays an important role in various processes. For goods receipts, it is used to determine where a delivery is sorted. For material withdrawals, it specifies from which storage location goods are to be withdrawn. Inventory management and stock taking can also be carried out at the storage location level. This means that it is always clear which material is available in what quantity and at which location. Technically, the storage location is represented by a 4-digit identifier in the system. This identifier is created once in customizing and can then be used for materials and movements. In the Material Master, there is a storage view for this purpose, in which stock data and movements are maintained for each storage location. An example of the use of a storage location is a company with 2 storage locations within a plant. There could be a main warehouse and a restricted warehouse. When raw materials such as cherry wood are delivered, it can be specified at goods receipt whether the wood is to be stored directly in the main warehouse or initially in the restricted warehouse. The storage location is therefore an essential element for precise inventory management and flexible warehouse processes. Without a clear storage location structure, materials would only be managed at the plant level, which would offer less transparency for logistics, purchasing, and production. A well-designed storage location structure saves time, reduces errors, and creates transparency throughout the company.
We hope the video helped you. In case you got any additional questions or comments, please leave a message below. See you next time, your advist-Academy.